The Great Cleaning Quest. Can this pressure wand solve the impossible grime problem? Have you ever faced a cleaning challenge that made you want to throw in the towel? Gutters clogged like concrete, rooftops blanketed in grime, and tight corners mocking your efforts? You've tried hoses, brushes, and everything in between, but nothing seems to work. The problem isn't your determination, it's your tools. That's where the Xiny Tool Pressure Washer Extension Wand steps in. With its unmatched reach, power, and versatility, this tool promises to turn your cleaning nightmares into victories. But can it truly live up to its claims and be the solution you've been searching for? The Xiny Tool Extension Wand was built for the toughest jobs. Its 4 unique wand types, straight, 30 degrees, 90 degrees, and U-shaped, are designed to conquer the hardest to reach places. High gutters? Check. Narrow corners? Done. It's not just about power but precision too. Pair it with the 6 spray nozzle tips, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, 60 degrees, and soap, to customize your clean, whether you're blasting away stubborn dirt or rinsing delicate surfaces. Compatible with all pressure washers featuring a 1/4 inch quick connector, it's a one-size-fits-all solution to every cleaning scenario. What sets the Xiny tool apart is its unwavering durability. Crafted from stainless steel and solid brass, this wand is built to last. Forget flimsy tools that wobble or rust, this extension wand is your long-term ally in the battle against grime. The premium materials ensure consistent performance even at a powerful 4000 psi, letting you tackle the toughest jobs with confidence. Whether it's caked on mud under your car or moss on your rooftop, this tool doesn't just clean, it dominates. Time is a precious commodity, and the Xiny tool respects that. Its high-pressure design delivers unparalleled efficiency, cleaning faster than hoses or manual scrubbing ever could. Use less water while achieving more impactful results. You'll save hours on outdoor cleaning tasks, leaving you more time for the things you actually enjoy. Plus, the seamless Quick Connect system ensures that setup and switching between nozzles are effortless, eliminating the frustration that often comes with cleaning gear. The quest for the ultimate cleaning tool ends here. The Xiny Tool Pressure Washer Extension Wand offers the perfect blend of power, precision, and durability, all at an affordable price. It's the game changer that transforms cleaning from a grueling chore into a swift, satisfying mission. Why settle for mediocrity when you can wield the best? Grab your Xiny tool today and reclaim your time, energy, and spotless home. The battle against grime is over, and you've won.